My name is Linda. I am 52 years old. I work in a hospital laundry room. Every day, I wash sheets, blankets, and clothes. I fold towels and carry heavy bags. My hands are often wet and my back gets tired. I work from morning until afternoon. Many people do not see me. They walk past the laundry room without stopping. Sometimes I hear doctors and nurses talking in the hallway. They seem busy and important. I stay quiet and keep working. Before, I felt embarrassed about my job. When people asked me what I did for work, I changed the subject. I said, I work at a hospital, but I did not say where. I felt small. I thought my job was not good enough. I thought people would judge me. At work, I did not talk much. I focused on the machines. I washed and dried clothes again and again. The sound of the machines was loud. It filled the room. It helped me hide my thoughts. After work, I went home tired. I cooked simple food. I watched television alone. Sometimes I felt proud that I worked hard. Other times I felt invisible. One day something changed. I was folding clean sheets when a nurse came into the laundry room. She smiled at me. She looked tired but kind. She said, "Thank you for your work." I was surprised. I stopped folding and looked at her. She said, "Because of you, patients feel clean and safe. Your work matters." Her words stayed in the air. I did not know what to say. I smiled and said thank you. That day, I worked differently. I folded the sheets more carefully. I stood a little straighter. I felt warm inside. When I went home that evening, I felt different. My job did not change. The machines were the same. The work was the same. But how I saw myself had changed. The next day, I walked into work with my head higher. I said hello to people. I did not feel ashamed anymore. I felt useful. I felt proud. Now, when people ask me about my job, I say I work in a hospital laundry room. I say it clearly. I say it without fear. I learned something important. Every job matters. Every worker matters. Clean sheets help people rest. Clean clothes help people heal. My job may be quiet, but it is important. And now I know that I am important too.